ba naiisip mo, what if I'm meant for more? Alam mo yung feeling na hindi mo siya ma-explain pero alam mo sa sarili mo na mas may kaya ka pang gawin sa buhay. That you're actually built for more. Yeah, that one. Hindi yan ego, hindi ka mayabang, hindi yan entitlement. At hindi rin dahil hindi ka marunong makontento. Alam mo sa sarili mo na kontento ka, na grateful ka, pero alam mo pa rin sa sarili mo na gusto mo pang mag-grow pa, na pwede ka pang may mas maayos na buhay na pwedeng ibigay para sa sarili mo at para sa pamilya mo. Bakit? Kasi hindi naman masamang mangarap, hindi masamang maghangad ng mas maganda, lalo na kung alam mo na kaya mo naman. Karamihan kasi sa atin, we were taught to play small, to settle, to wait for permission or the right time. Pero what if ang kulang lang talaga is ikaw? Finally deciding. Finally taking action. You don't need everything figured out. You just need to stop making excuses and justifications sa pagko-convince dyan sa sarili mo na hindi mo kaya. Ang totoo, kaya mo naman talaga. Natatakot ka lang because of all your negative self-talk. This 2026, stop hoping, start creating, and start executing. That version of you, yung mas kalmado, mas confident, mas sigurado sa sarili niya, hindi yan imagination. That's you. Once you stop apologizing for wanting better and finally starting doing something about it.